We use a qualitative research design, which means we focus on people's answers and experience, not numbers. Our respondents were five call center agents who handle customer concerns through phone, email, chat, and social media. We choose them using purposive sampling. This means we pick up people who had the right experience to our topic. In the interview process, we use Google Forms to do the interviews. They answer the questions on their own time, so they were more comfortable and give detailed answers. Here are some of the questions we ask. First, what kinds of complaints are hard to solve through chat or social media and why? Second, which channel do you think is the most effective for service recovery and why? Third, what advice would you give to new agents who handle customer concern across different platforms? Aside from the interviews, we also use secondary data like academic journals and online articles. This helps us understand the topic better, especially the meaning, the purpose, and background of multi-channel service recovery. Next, data presentation. In question number 1, when we ask the respondents which types of complaint are hardest to resolve through chat or social media, most pointed to technical and billing issues. One respondent said, technical issues are the hardest to resolve through chat or social media because it is hard to guide customers through troubleshooting without seeing what they are seeing. Another added that complaints are related to billing or accounts issues are tough on social media. Customers often want to see documents or need more explanation. In question number 2, when it comes to resolving customer issues, phone calls are seen as the most effective method by several respondents. One said phone calls are definitely the most effective because you can talk directly to the customer and walk them through the solution. Another mentioned that live chat is best for urgent issues because it's fast and customers feels like they're getting immediate help. In question number 3, we asked for advice they would give to the new customer service agents handling service recovery across platforms. One important tip was always stay calm and be patient, especially on social media where tone can be easily misunderstood. Another shared clear and concise communication is key in chat. Customers don't have the time for long and explanations, and one more reminder was keep a professional tone but don't be afraid to show empathy, especially when the customer is upset. The interview shows that technical problems are hard to resolve through chat or social media because agents can guide customers step by step. Also, when customers are angry or upset, it's harder to show empathy in text. This makes emotional issues more difficult to handle. Most respondents said phone calls are best for complex or emotional cases because you can talk directly and connect better with the customer. Live chat is fast and good for urgent needs, but not as good for complicated problems or sensitive topics. Agent said it's important to stay professional and show empathy, especially on social media where your tone can be misunderstood. They also reminded new agents to keep a message short and clear, especially in chat where customers want quick help. We choose interviews because they give real and detailed answers from people who do the actual work. We also use journals and online articles to support and give context to the interview results. Together, these methods help us understand the topic more completely. Our respondents were chosen because they have a real experience with multi-channel service recovery. The questions we asked were focused on our topic, so the answer we got were useful. We also use sources like academic journals to make our study more reliable. We made sure the study was ethical. We told to the participant what is the purpose of our research and kept their answer private and anonymous. Everyone gave consent before joining, and they were free to leave the study anytime if they wanted.
Technical and emotional issues are harder to resolve through chat or social media since they limit guidance and empathy. Phone calls are the most effective for explaining complex issues and showing understanding. Live chat is best for simple or urgent inquiries, offering quick responses. Regardless of the platform, agents should remain calm, clear, professional, and empathetic, especially in written communication. The study successfully reached its goals in three key ways. First is it identified the main challenges faced in customer support interactions. The second is it provided insight into how agents manage and respond across different platforms. And finally, the third is it offered practical ideas to improve service recovery and enhance the overall customer experience. So first, implement channel-specific agent training. Agents should be trained based on the platform they used, whether it's phone chat, or email, so they can adjust their tone and pace and also communication style accordingly to. So second is strengthens or CRM and integration tools. A well-integrated CRM help agents view the full customer interaction history and also the making support more seamless and efficient. And lastly is prioritize phone support for complex cases. Voice calls are ideal for handling emotional or technical issue, offering a personal and timely response that boosts customer satisfaction. So next is adapt real-time support. Features like screen sharing, co-browsing, or video calls. These tools are especially helpful when text alone isn't enough to resolve an issue. Then maintain consistent messaging across all channels using templates and communication guidelines. Ensures responses remain clear, professional, and empathetic. No matter the platform, finally, and collect feedback regularly. Gathering input from customer on each platform helps identify areas for improvement and enhances both service quality and agent training.